Hey everybody, Big Ben Breaker back for another Steel City Break Room live break. You can join the fun by going to SteelCityCollectibles.com. Click on the Live Breaks on Demand banner to see our live break eligible products and our live break deal of the day. From there, place your order, click the Break This Live for Me button, and we will break it live for you that very same day. Today we have 2 boxes of 2014 Topps Turkey Red Baseball, as well as a box of 2014 Topps Museum Collection. These are going out to Bill. Bill, good luck, and let's get to breaking. We will start off with the 2014 Turkey Red boxes, and here we go. All right, starting off, we got a Yu Darvish, Nick Swisher, Dominic Brown, Mariano Rivera, Craig Kimbrell, and we have a Danny Salazar autograph, Cleveland Indians pitcher. That is numbered 10 of 182 on the Danny Salazar autograph. Finishing up the box, Clayton Kershaw, Carlos Gomez, Adrian Gonzalez, Carlos Gonzalez, and Albert Pujols. Box number 2, 2014 Turkey Red. These are going out to Bill. Starting out, Salvador Perez, Jordan Zimmerman, Robinson Cano, Marco Scutaro, Alex Gordon, and we have a Taylor Jordan. It's going to be a green frame on it. It is number 2 of 10. So we have got a big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh! Taylor Jordan, Washington Nationals pitcher, green autograph, number 2 of 10. Very cool right there. 2014 Topps Turkey Red. Finishing up the pack, Alex Gonzalez, Carlos Gonzalez, Albert Pujols, Mike Trout, and Jason Grilli. Very cool hit right there on the Taylor Jordan rookie. And before we continue on here to the 2014 Topps Museum Collection, just wanted to remind you guys watching of our group breaks going on. SteelCityCollectibles.com. Click on the SCC Break Room tab. That'll take you to our Steel City Break Room page. It's got all the group breaks that you can join into. We've got some for all 4 sports, highlighted by a 10-box break. A baseball rookie and draft mixer. It's going to be a 30-team random team break, only $24.95, and based on the stated odds of the product, you're looking at 52 autograph hits, 14 game used hits, and 54 inserts. The boxes include 2 boxes of 2013 Panini Prism Draft, 2 boxes of 2013 Panini Elite, 2 boxes of 2013 Panini USA Champions, 2 boxes of 2013 USA Team Set, and 2 boxes of 2012 USA Team Sets. Both Brady Aiken and Carlos Rodon, 2 of the top 3 picks in last night's draft. They're included amongst the products. Chris Bryant's in there. Jose Abreu's in there. Byron Buxton's in there. A whole pile of guys with a chance to hit. Again, only $24.95 a slot. The slots are filling very fast. Over halfway done on those on that mixer, and again we go live with that June 10th. And you can scroll down if you're watching us live on Breakers TV. You can just scroll down below the video window and get a chance to see all of our group breaks, including that 10-box mixer, as well as we have 2014 Topps Tier 1 live in stock at the website steelcitycollectibles.com. $99.95 per box. We can break it live for you here today. And our live break deal of the day, 2012-13 ITG Ultimate Memorabilia 12th Edition Hobby Packs, just $59.95 to be broken live here on Breakers TV. So jump on the website, take advantage of those deals, and we move on here for Bill with his box of 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Bill, good luck. Let's get a big hit. If you guys are watching in the live on Breakers, feel free to jump in the chat room, say hello. Always enjoy interacting with you guys throughout the course of the break. And we'd love to break a box live for you here today as well. 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, and 4 packs. We will start off pack number 1. Here we go. Let's get to breaking. Five cards per pack, 1 autograph or relic card per mini box. Bill, good luck. We start off Pedro Martinez green, numbered 3 of 199. We've got a Mike Mussina, a Christian Yelich, a Yadier Molina, and we have a Tony Cingrani signature swatches patch autograph. It's a patch jersey autograph, excuse me, numbered 223 of 299. We will continue on to pack number 2. Give a shout out to Nicholas and Hannah watching our break here for Bill of the 2014 Topps Museum Collection. I know they're frequent visitors and viewers of our YouTube channel, and we certainly appreciate them tuning in. Here we go, pack number 2 for Bill. We have a Todd Frazier, Juan Gonzalez, Ken Griffey Jr., Chris Davis, and we have a Steve Cishek autograph. It's going to be numbered 348 of 399, the Florida Marlins closer, Steve Cishek. Box number 3, 4 mini boxes per box. Autograph or memorabilia card per pack. We've pulled the Cingrani autograph dual patch jersey, and we've pulled a Steve Cishek autograph card here so far. Continuing on here, pack number 3. Let's see what we got. 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Started off with a Lou Brock, Will Myers, Ryan Braun. We have got a Canvas Collection David Ortiz, and we have a big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh! Kevin Youkilis Jumbo Laundry Tag Patch, 1 of 1. It's got the MLB authentication hologram right on that tag. Awesome card. It's him with the New York Yankees. Fantastic card right there, Kevin Youkilis. 1 of 1 Jumbo Tag Patch. Very, very cool. Big hits keep on coming here in the Steel City break room. Awesome. Awesome hit right there. And we still got 1 box yet to go. Big hits all over the place live here on Breakers TV. All right, final pack of the box. Bill, good luck. And we started off with a James Shields. It's going to be numbered 64 of 99. Shelby Miller, Chris Sale, Oswaldo Arcia, and we have a Pittsburgh Pirates quad. It's going to be numbered 24 of 25. A Starling Marte patch, Garrett Cole jersey, Andrew McCutcheon jersey, and a Pedro Alvarez jersey. Very cool stuff to wrap up the break here. 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Bill will get those cards out to you today. Hope you enjoy them. And remember, if you'd like to join in on the fun, you can go to SteelCityCollectibles.com, click on the Live Breaks On Demand banner to see our live break eligible products and our live break deal of the day. From there, place your order, click the Break This Live for Me button, and we will break it live for you that very same day. I'm Big Ben Breaker, wishing you a big hit in your next sealed boxer case purchase from SteelCityCollectibles.com. We will see you next time.